For my project-based unit, I chose to do What Happened to the Dinosaurs. I would do this unit in 2nd grade. 2nd grade would probably be the most ideal grade to do this project in. Most children would still be interested and have a love for dinosaurs, and they would be able to understand more about the extinction of the dinosaurs. I'd give the students questions to research and guide them through the project. Dinosaurs are still widely debated, so it could be hard for students if they don't have a guide. The children would learn many things from this project. They would learn how to debate their opinions but have the resources to back it up. Because the students have an opinion and research to back it up, they would be able to craft a diagram and write a short report on their research. I would teach the children to make an informed opinion, write a report, and back up their opinions with facts. The students would be able to be creative and visualize what they are learning. They would be creative through the diagram that they are making. They would be able to use Play-Doh, clay, or anything that they can use to build or put together a diagram. They would visualize what they are learning by being able to put everything together and being able to see what they are learning, which most students are visual learners, so that would be very helpful for them. When doing this project, the students would go through almost every step of Bloom's taxonomy. They would have to recall from things they have learned in the past, which would be the remembering stage. Then they would have to understand their research, which would be the understanding stage. If they didn't understand their research, then they wouldn't be able to do the project and understand what they are learning about. They would have to apply what they learn to creating their diagram. Being able to apply what they've learned through creating a diagram will help the students remember more and have fun with the project. They would have to be able to also apply what they have learned through the research to make a report to explain to their classmates about their opinions on what happened to the dinosaurs. The students would also have to analyze every aspect of the research that they had looked into and used to base their opinion. Then they would have to evaluate their opinion on the extinction of the dinosaurs by the research that they had used. So they could have a opinion before they do any research that the dinosaurs went extinct because of a meteor, for example. But they would have to back up that opinion with the research that they had used. And then lastly, the students would have to create a diagram and report and explain how it changed the world. I would have them explain how it changed the world, so I personally know as a teacher that they are understanding what they are learning, and it's not all going to be the same for each child because they all have different opinions, and there are many ways that it could have changed the world. But the students would learn a lot from this project. They would learn more about the dinosaurs. They would learn that it's okay to be visual and creative to help them learn better. That's how I was. I was a visual learner, and doing diagrams and being creative really helped me. The students would also learn to back up their own opinions with research that they have found. Having that research would help them be able to write reports and make diagrams or any other thing that would possibly be used in their education. The students would have to put in a lot of work, and they would learn to debate respectively against their classmates on their own opinions, but they would only be able to debate if they had facts and research to back up their opinions. So I think that What Happened to the Dinosaurs would be a great project for 2nd graders to do, as it would help them learn that it's okay to be different from everybody else, and it's okay to be a visual learner.